Now, let me ask you, did you have a response to what I think is pretty clear about ping-ponging between self-sacrifice and self-sabotage?
Oh, yes. It was like, oh, that's a good way to put it. Yes. And that's where I can find moments where I catch myself in one or the other, but I catch myself. And yeah, yeah, really. Um, and that is that's a real addictive place. And I found out how addictive it was when I started changing.
Yes.
It's like, no,
Yes.
so scary. We're not going to, it's like, that's too scary.
Yeah. That's a really good description of the yank back.
Yes.
Addiction is just saying, no, you don't. You are coming right back here where I've got you.
Mm-hmm.
And there's no bliss there.
No, no, only constantly looking for it, looking for love in all the wrong places. And and not finding it and not giving it to because you haven't experienced it, you don't know how to give yourself that. So
Yeah. So thank you for taking the time to talk to me a little bit today, and thank you for being here. And yeah, so oof,
yeah.
I had forgotten that Bobby McFerrin event, that story.
Wow.
I just, as I'm doing this, as I've been preparing this new cycle of work, and I've been listing all the stories that make sense in doing the work, I had forgotten about that.
Really?
Mhm.
Wow.
Yeah, it
Wow.
was amazing.
It is. It's beautiful.